So, continue a topic of what top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this weekend. This week, it's basically Litecoin, ISP, Theta, and FTT. What you can buy to maybe improve possibilities to get the profit from your trade. So, what this we do to the end because it's mainly interesting. Will be there. So also hit that like subscribe button and let's get started. So Litecoin broke and closed above the 114.64 resistance on August 6th, completing a double bottom pattern. If bulls sustain the price above the breakout level, it will suggest the start of new uptrend. And here we have basically Litecoin USDT daily chart. And the relative strength index is in the positive zone and the 20-day EMA has been moving up gradually, indicating that bulls are at an advantage. If the price turns up from the current level of the 20-day EMA, the Litecoin USDT pair could rally to the pattern target at almost $190. Contrary to this assumption, if bears pull the price back below the 20-day EMA, it will suggest that the current breakout was a bull trap. The pair could then drop to 120 and then to critical support at 104. So the 4-hour chart shows that the bullish pushed the price above the stiff overhead resistance at 150, but are struggling to sustain the higher levels. The bears are attempting to pull the price back below the breakout level. If they manage to do that, the pair could slide to 135. Conversely, if the price rebounds off the current level, the bulls will attempt to resume the uptrend. The next target objective on the upside is 165 and then 180. So, speaking about other coin of which worth to watch this week is ICP, Internet Computer, is attempting to form a reversal pattern. The bulls pushed the price above the overhead resistance, which completed a double bottom pattern. So, however, the bears have other plans, and they have pulled the price back below 59.42. The Internet Computer USDT pair could now drop to the 20-day EMA. A break below the support will suggest that the pair could remain range-bound for a few more days. On the other hand, if the price turns up from the current level of the 20-day EMA, the bulls will again try to propel the price above 59.42. If they can't pull it off, the pair could start a new uptrend, which has a pattern target at 90.53. So the 20-day EMA on the 4-hour chart has turned up and the relative strength index is in the positive zone, indicating that buyers are making a comeback. If the price rebounds off the 20 EMA, the bulls will try to resume the up move. So, speaking about Theta broke above the downtrend line on August 4, suggesting that the selling pressure may be reducing. The price reached the 200-day SMA on August 5, where the bears are offering stiff resistance. The Theta USDT pair formed a doji candlestick pattern on August 7, indicating indecision among the bulls and the bears. This uncertainty resolved to the downside today. And what's interesting that the pair could now drop to the 20-day EMA. If the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will make one more attempt to clear the overhead hurdle at the 200-day SMA. If they succeed, the pair could start its journey towards the next target objective at $10. So also let's talk about FTT FTX token, which has made a strong recovery since breaking out the 200-day SMA. The bears tried to pull the price back below the 200-day SMA on August 4, but failed, which shows a change in sentiment from bearish to bullish. So the 4-hour chart shows the pair picked up momentum after the bulls pushed the price above the overhead resistance on $37. The pair has been finding support at the 20 EMA during corrections, indicating that the sentiment is to buy the dips. So please let me know, are you interested in such idea? What you thinking? Is it correct? Or maybe you have another opinion? So let me know, let's discuss it. It's really interesting. Share please your thoughts in the comment section below. Also drop a like button, hit the subscribe bell ring. Thank you so much. And actually it's not financial advice, but yeah, I think that in any case it's good to know that some analytics which you may have to include in your day trading strategy to improve your profit. So let's move on. Synthetic bananas. These decentralized finance projects let users tokenize any asset imaginable on Ethereum. So the more synthetic assets created and traded on Ethereum, the faster it will become a true global sentiment layer, says a decentralized finance project that enables their creation from anyone everywhere. We choose bananas at the start because in a fun ape meme, cause apes like bananas, so why hold USDT or USDC when you can hold bananas as your stablecoin, said the project following the launch of its banana synth. But then we thought about what this actually means. Bananas have provided a stable net gain versus the USD over the last decades and even account for inflation, making it an attractive inflation hedge stablecoin. So the way to do this is by providing anyone with the skills and tools to create and deploy their own front end and contracts to create their own things. Conjur has also created Open Oracle Framework, which can supply over 100 feeds in a single transaction, allowing access to more on-chain data and allowing users to create their own oracles and feeds with ease. Conjuring thinks, in order to mint a synthetic asset On Conjure Finance, users can go to the Create interface on the decentralized app after connecting their wallets. So what's more, once these synths are live and minted by other people, they provide an easy way to spend capital tied up as Ethereum. The minted assets are SDP-based loans, but with zero interest. Essentially, a user can keep Ethereum exposure by selling the minted asset without actually needing to sell. As an added benefit, users will be exempt from paying any capital gain tax in the processing as loans aren't subject to taxes. So we will be continuing in the next video. So please drop a like, subscribe button. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Let's discuss on it because it's really interesting. And let me know, please, what news you more excited. Open Bananas decentralized finance projects or top 5 cryptocurrency, which may be in